Welcome back guys to another tutorial on cracking aptitude. Today we are going to get started with a new topic, that is combinations. So what is combination? Combination is a collection or groups formed by taking one or more objects at a time from a given set of objects without considering the order of arrangements as we used to consider in permutation. Here order of arrangement is not of any matter to us. We just have to form different collection or groups of the objects. So for example, let's say there are three things or objects, that is G, H and I. If we take one at a time and try to form different combination, then there would be G, H and I, three different combination. If we take two at a time from these three and try to form different combination, then there would be GH, HI and GI, again three different combination. Here GH and HG would mean one and the same thing, whereas in permutation GH and HG would mean two different permutation. So that is why we do not consider the order of arrangement. It's just that we have to form different groups or collection. So GH, HI and GI, only three different combination can be formed out of these three objects. And now if we take all the three objects at a time and try to form different combination, then there would be just one combination formed, that is G, H and I. That's it. So the basic formula of combination is NCR, and here that would be represented as n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Here n is the total number of objects and r is the set of objects taken at a time to form different combinations. Let's understand this formula by taking an example. Out of 13 football players, 11 are to be selected for playing on field. In how many different ways can they be selected? There are 13 football players and 11 are to be selected. So here n is 13 and r becomes 11. So total ways would be NCR is equal to 13C11, and when we apply this formula, it would be 13 factorial divided by 13 minus 11 factorial into 11 factorial is equal to, which would give us 13 into 12 divided by 2 factorial. If you haven't understood this solution part, then I have explained this solution part a couple of times in my permutation lectures, to which I have given the links in the description below. You can go there and check out those lectures for understanding this calculation part. Actually it's very simple. I have written here 13 into 12. I can write here 13 into 12 into 11 factorial, and in the denominator also we have 11 factorial. So this denominator, 11 factorial in the denominator, can be cancelled with 11 factorial in the numerator, and we would be left with 13 into 12 in the numerator. And this 2 factorial in the denominator we got by 13 minus 11 factorial, which we have in the denominator, and that would give us 2 factorial in the denominator. So it would be 13 into 12 divided by 2 factorial, and which when you solve this, it would be 78 different ways or 78 different combinations. So today I'm going to ask you a question about what you guys have understood in my earlier tutorials about permutations that I have explained you, if you have watched them. And that question is this: